There is a petition filed by general category candidates challenging the reservation provided for postgraduate level in Goa Medical College. Their argument is that the decision of the government, which was taken on 5th of May 2023 to keep this reservation at postgraduate level in Goa Medical College, is not correct. Their further argument is that there is no ample material before the government to come to such a conclusion that this reservation is required, whereas it is the state government stand that at the postgraduate level in Goa Medical College, the representation of these categories of people like scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and OBC is not properly happened for last around 20 years. We have statistics to say that there is hardly any representation of these categories for postgraduate level. Therefore, we are right in providing this reservation. That is our contention. Whereas the contention of the petitioner is that the material is not sufficient. Their contention is there is no proper study done. Their contention is there is no proper report in the file of the government. Therefore, this decision is not correct.